Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily find control panel in Windows 11. Now, if this video will be helpful guys, what you can do is write down below in the comments that this video helped you, so when other people would come here, they will be like, damn, it's a good video, right? So what you want to do is simply go on the bottom to search and write in a search control panel. And right here, click on the control panel. And this is pretty much how you do it. So you're going to find a control panel. You can on the right side view by large icons or category. That's completely up to you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.